Hey guys, welcome back to Broken Ground Patio Stead, and we're out here getting ready to harvest some potatoes. We planted some sweet potatoes earlier in the year, and now it's time to turn them over and see what's in the buckets. We planted in containers, so let's see what we got here. Okay, okay, you can see them already on the outside of the bucket. Okay, there's some potatoes. Okay, they sweet potatoes, they long and narrow, but there's some more right there. All right. Sweet potatoes. We turned over 2 buckets last week just to see if there was anything in them, so we knew that there were potatoes in them. Okay, so there's 1 bucket. Okay, still more. Now those are relatively small, but those are the kind of potatoes you turn into sweet potatoes on top of the stove. All right, that wasn't a bad deal. We got more though. We got more. See those potatoes there? And that is, what size bucket is that? Is that
I don't remember off the top of my head.
maybe a 20-gallon bucket? Okay, here comes another bucket. Let's see what's in here. It's a little short bucket. Yeah, they said that sweet potatoes tend to be more narrow if you don't have enough dirt in the buckets. I just saw that today. See, there are some of the potatoes, the lighter looking ones are some we harvested last week. Okay. That one don't have anything in it.
I don't think this one has enough dirt in it.
Okay, all right, we understanding that it's not enough soil. We didn't have enough soil in those buckets. This bucket particular. It was a short bucket. I think that next bucket has more soil. All right, here's another bucket. Let's see what we got in this bucket. Okay. Potatoes. Oh. Here we go. Looky here. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, there you go. Wow. Okay. Anything else in it? Okay, there's another one. Good deal.
That's it. Wait a minute. That's it.
Okay, that one didn't have very many in it, but look at the size of them. Those are some good sized sweet potatoes right there.
Still
Okay.
got about 4 more buckets to do.
Okay.
But I can't.
Okay, guys, that is our haul for, I say, 3 buckets of sweet potatoes, and we still have 4 more buckets of sweet potatoes to turn over, but that's all we can do in a day. We'll wait for my nephew to come by and he'll help us dump those other ones. All right. So, if you like this content, give us a like and subscribe if you feel so desired to do, and share it with your friends. You never know who might be trying to grow some sweet potatoes. Okay, bye y'all.